Okay guys, it's 1:30. So what that's done is it's given me time to let the market settle down, see what's going on with the interest rate today. Now, it was a bit of a shocker because the pundits said it wouldn't go up, but they weren't expecting a cut either. They were expecting it to probably be status quo and be no change. It didn't. They cut it by 1/4%. So how have the markets reacted to that? Let's have a look and we'll see if we can do something with it. So we look at a clean chart, and the first thing we need to do is look to see what's happening with the daily. That was the last major move of the daily. So I want to put in some parameters of that. Now I'm not going to do kind of a full markup, but I'll show you how you can parameter these things out. Okay, so we've got a baseline here, just there. Okay, I'll put that in a dotted line so I know that it's a fib. And then I'm going to work up through fibs to see what the situation is. Now, as we come into dailies, we'll see the 50 has a stall point. Okay, and then we'll follow that all the way up to 23. Okay, why? Because that's quite a ways to go. Don't really need to go much further than that for the next few hours. So straight away, we've got a trading arena created here from the last major move. Now, we know this one here is the 50%. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to thicken it up just so I can see it on a low time frame. Take it into a 4-hour, or at least I will do when the computer wakes up. So come on, there we are. So wake that up and we can have a look. So it's sold off. And now it looks like it's correcting on itself. So let's have a look at the situation for when that happened. So we're currently in the 1 o'clock. So it was this candle here. So it slammed all the way down and pushed up. So it's actually working against this particular move here. We're going to draw in a move of that. And then we're going to see what happens. Well, if that breaks and holds above this 50%, I'm going to buy it. If it doesn't, I'm going to start selling it down into these ranges. Okay. Now, there it is there. It's popping above. So it looks like a buy is on the cards. So where we're going to buy it to? Well, it'll work its way back to 50%. So this 61 is a good target. Now, this is very basic, easy market structure workings out. Now, there is things you can do to help. Now, I touched on this with the guys this morning. Don't need any of these, but the Bollinger Band can help. If it's coming from the outside, it's coming to the moving average. Moving average is coinciding with this 50. That is a good metric to work to. Okay, so we can look to this, but it's closing in. Therefore, strength is running out. So what's strength running out of? The downward move, so it'll be an upward shift. Right, okay, 15 minutes. Let us see. Oh my god, might need to restart my computer. It keeps freezing out. I left it running last night. Anyway, what's happening here? It's flaring, showing strength to the upper side. Why is that? Because if it's pushing out, that shows strength in the market. Push the boundaries out. So if that's the case, this can be a good entry point in and around this area to get up to there. So is it worth it? Well, let's have a look. So what's that? It's like 12, 13 pips. So if I want 10 pips, which is a half decent move, I'll probably be able to get that in the next move or so. So take it down into 5 minutes. Let's have a little look, see what the situation is. Well, it's collapsing down, moving down. Okay, so I'm going to have to go back to the 15-minute and see if I can get a better entry point. So let me see if I can get a better entry point. Get rid of that. I'm going to now put a fib from there to the top of there, and I'm going to use the fib just to get in on a narrative to the upper side. So it's up there, 23. So I'm going to either buy the 23, 38 or the 50. So let me just drop that in because it's hitting the 50 now. We're going to buy this bit. Okay, so just drag the order onto that 23, which is there. Oh, it's a bit too close to the market. Still a bit too close. Oh, right, we're taking in. So drop our target up onto here. Okay. So I'm happy with that. It's popping up. Take it on to 5 minutes so you can watch it. And this will be a nice quick scalp by the looks of things. Up, come on, give me about 50 quid and the job will be about done. Go on, 50 quid, because we're looking for, what's that? That's 12 pips. What did I say? Just move that back slightly, just so it'll cover the spread. And there we are, job's done, 61 quid. Just like so, bang. No tickets. And I've taken my orders off and it's stopped dead on that fib that I've just drawn in. Now, if I want to do it again, I'll now be looking for this. But what I've done is created barriers, worked out a narrative of how to work the market. In other words, there was a downward push this morning. Good news came in, causing the market to rally. It was going to rally to the 50%. And that's what we're working on. So I was just literally working from one level to the next level once I'd built up a narrative. Now, there is a lot more to it than that. But there you go. Kind of backing up something I was saying to the guys in the market call this morning, because every day we have like a Zoom face-to-face call. We go through the markets, we have a look at it, and we talk everything from mindset, money management, to how to actually trade a market in the first place. And that's me putting my money where my mouth is. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.